OpenAI is out here claiming that ChatGPT 5 is a PhD level intelligence, and the thing is driven completely insane by imaginary emojis. Beyond being hilarious to me and the internet at large, this crash out is a great example of how large language models like ChatGPT actually work. Basically, when you give an LLM part of a sentence, it will predict what word or word fragment is most likely to come next. That is the core of how ChatGPT works. Modern LLMs learn to do next word prediction by reading pretty much the entire contents of the internet, including almost every book ever written. Hence all those copyright lawsuits you may have heard about. A chatbot will know a fact if that fact was included in its training data, either directly or by implication. Obviously, I'm simplifying a lot here. If you want to understand how large language models work on a more technical level, I highly recommend this video by 3Blue1Brown. ChatGPT was doomed to spiral into emoji-fueled madness the moment it started this response with yes. The obvious best output to complete this sentence would be the seahorse emoji, but there is no seahorse emoji in Unicode. So instead, the neural network outputs the best option it has available, which is the regular horse emoji. Now, this sentence clearly contains a mistake, so ChatGPT decides that the next output should correct this error and provide the real seahorse emoji, which still doesn't exist. Oh dear. The AI is now stuck in a loop, constantly predicting that the best output is some variation of, whoops, that's not the seahorse emoji, this is the seahorse emoji. Then it outputs some other emoji and starts the loop again. ChatGPT is fundamentally just a next word predictor, and in this case, it can't find the word it's trying to predict. So it has a complete breakdown, which is honestly vibes. Interestingly, if I ask for other emojis that don't exist, like the Triceratops, I get a perfectly sane response.